One of the two teams will taste success today because we'll not have a tie. Hello, hello. It is the mightiest of them all. And the Bulls have sent money packing on the bench. Early start, price start. First tackle of the first half. This is going to be tight, bright, tense, intriguing. Result guaranteed. You can't put in an empty net. Off you go!
Remember the Bengaluru Bulls in that last game? Out of all the... In 4 tackles, they've got at least one right. Today it's been 100%. But now, while we say that, it's a first flop there.
1 point.
Given one away. They brought in Ganesh, who's on the bench. A chance for him. Just like you mentioned, Paddy, revival, a respawn sort of. Just for everybody to understand. And he comes in straight away. He gets a running hand touch. Wow. That's a really good start for the Bengaluru Bulls today. It was the defense kicking in.
Refcam, unedited footage. You can watch it live on Jio Hotstar. He has wiped them! This is brilliant!
Yes, please.
He drags
Please.
and rises like a phoenix. He's gone very, very low, Yogesh. 1, 2, 2. Will he go through? Battle, brawl, fight. He does it! Oh, you beauty! Oh, you beast! What a feast! I am loving it! He has cleaned up the house. It's a 4-pointer. Remember the name. Ayan.
And he's the only person in the team, Paddy, who's got a Super 10. Ankit Jaglan just gives it away.
The defense is saying, okay, silence is the best answer. Up he goes, down he comes, out he goes.
Header out. 1 point.
This was refined
Bengaluru Bulls.
and dynamic from the Bengaluru Bulls, but much better, robust. They're looking strong, well coordinated, well synchronized, and with that, they get that job done and dusted. The Bengaluru Bulls, they inflict that first all-out that was required, and finally they will take the lead once again in this game.
An Ultratech do-or-die raid, 1 home, 1 chance here now. Ayan Lochab in raid. He needs to get a point out of this one. And he does also very easy for him.
1 point. Patna Pirates.
Remember, he was taken down before on the previous do-or-die raid, and this time he evades. This is a robbery in broad daylight.
Let us say
He was ready for the same tackle that was supposed to come from the right
2
cover,
points.
Deepak,
Bengaluru
and he
Bulls.
escapes.
Number 9 and 1 out.
Especially towards the right side of the defense. Oh, close once again. The Bengaluru Bulls are playing
Header
with
out.
fire. But
1
their
point.
defense is managing
Bengaluru
to
Bulls.
really keep them in it.
Few games with a 3-point difference, and it is a 3-point difference right now. Another Birla White Tile 6 super tackle opportunity will not work. He's done the job once again. This time he's got the captain Ankit
1
Jaglan
point. Bengaluru
with a
Bulls.
fantastic
Number 2
toe
out.
touch. Fire packs waiting to get him, the Bengaluru Bulls. Just 2 odd minutes remaining now in this game. Last few seconds, and he will not get through. It is the Bulls defense once
Bonus
again.
point Patna Pirates.
Ali
1 plus
Reza
2, 3
and
points.
company.
Bengaluru Bulls.
They're on the
All out,
verge
Patna Pirates.
of winning this one, and they inflict an all-out here. With that confidence, with the way they've gone about their business today. Flamboyant! And just extraordinary. 1 more point given by the
Let us
vice
say
captain, Deepak.
1
I'm not
point.
sure what he was
Bengaluru
doing
Bulls.
there.
A superb performance without 2 of their biggest stars. Come out really focused, on fire.
Let us say
Ayan Lochab
1 point. Patna Pirates.
Comes back
Number
with a very
9 out.
simple point. Listen, I have to say this. There is a certain Mr. Padamjeet Sehrawat. We call him the soothsayer of the game. He had predicted a 10-point win to the Patna Pirates in this one.
Let us say
Well, you can call it what you want. It feels like a white shift here because the Bengaluru Bulls have dropped their first win and will now officially be part of those WhatsApp group chats. Rich, they've done it again. The Bengaluru Bulls, they needed something to keep going their way. And last year's finalist, the Patna Pirates, they're still looking for their first victory.